What's up, guys? Ride Pro back again, another one for sale. Here's a 2015 Honda Goldwing Trike. It's black in color, obviously. It's got the Motor Trike Kit on it. Bike's in excellent condition. Front tire's brand new. Has the running boards, fog lights. Very clean bike here. These little leather protectors do a great job keeping those fenders clean. You can pop those off if you want. I don't recommend it, because you'll get rock chips and whatnot. So they do a great job. Nice little cup holder here by Kuryakin, that's aftermarket. It's got low miles, only 30,000. It's a voltmeter down here. What else? It's got the independent rear suspension. A nice 17-inch wheels. Has a hitch. If you're gonna tow anything, it's ready to go. Very clean, no damage. Tires are in great shape on the rear as well. AM/FM radio, CB. Let's get this thing started up. Gotta love these Goldwings, they just run excellent. This thing only has 30,700 miles. Has a aftermarket auxiliary port here. Charge a phone. Stock exhaust, nice and quiet. There it is, guys, the 2015 Goldwing Trike with a Motor Trike Kit on it. It does have the easy steer. I don't know if you can see it down there, but it is equipped with that easy steer, so that's nice. Handle nice and smooth at any speed. What else can I say? We have discounted shipping rates available, so if you're interested in that, just let us know. We can help get this thing right to your front door, or you can always come down and visit us and pick it up yourself. We have financing. Like I was saying, we have financing available as well. Bike's been serviced, it's ready to go. Any questions, give us a call. We're at 813-615-1700. 813-615-1700. We're located in Tampa, Florida. And our website, www.myridepro.com. myridepro.com. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you got any questions.